Welcome to Efficiency Hunters, where we help homeowners discover ways to save energy and money. Today, we're talking about when spending can help you save with our home energy advisor, Mary.
We're here with homeowner Eric, showing him some DIY updates to make his home the most energy efficient one on the block.
Now, I know my appliances in here are dated, but does that really make much of a difference? I feel like I've had them forever.
It sure does. With as quickly as technology is advancing, you might be surprised to know that you could save up to $260 a year by upgrading your fridge to a newer Energy Star model. And with every other appliance, it would just be that much more in savings.
That's huge. How do I know if it's an Energy Star appliance?
Look for the blue Energy Star logo. Then use the yellow Energy Guide label to review energy use and operating costs. No matter how old your thermostat is, replacing it with a smart model could save you around $140 per year. Not only can you control your home's temperature remotely through an app, but your smart thermostat can detect when you're away and switch to Eco Power mode. Plus, this DIY project can be completed in about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, this next tip is super easy and can save you big. Just by switching from incandescent light bulbs to LEDs, you can save about $15 each year per bulb. And since LEDs last 25 times longer than incandescents, you won't replace bulbs nearly as often.
Okay, so if I have 40 bulbs in my house, that's $600 back in my pocket every year. That's totally worth it, and I can definitely do that myself.
You sure can. And when you go grab those bulbs, make sure to get a smart power strip or two. It prevents electronics in standby mode from using power even when they're off.
Now those are some smart tips. Catch all the episodes of Efficiency Hunters for more ways to lower your energy bill and be more energy efficient. Till next time.